Julius Malema does not understand, but we're going to make him understand. There are 30 million black people unemployed roughly in South Africa. The majority of unemployment are black in South Africa. They are white and Indian and colors, but the majority are black. But we are going to take all the farms which the government took in South Africa because that's land expropriation, and we're going to give it to the Boers, and those Boers knows how to create jobs. So we are going to employ all those black unemployment people in South Africa, and we're going to put them on the farms, and they are going to work on the farms. That's what we're going to do to make South Africa great again. You have no plan. Your plan does not work. The ANC has no plan. So does the EFF and the MK and the DA. But we're going to make it work like we always did.